Good morning, everyone. I'm staying in a place called Ghandinagar. And today...
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, good morning.
Sir.
How are you? No, okay, okay. Today, I'm going to look for breakfast. So one of the problems is, I went on that app, right? And I was checking that around here, there's no like normal breakfast, like eggs or something. And now, hey, this morning I just don't feel like eating Indian food. But I'm guessing that's what I'm about to get in this area. So this is the road I'm staying on. There's like plenty of hotels and all kinds of places over here. And yeah, everything here that they sell is all Indian food. So it's going to be a little bit difficult, but we are going to make this mission a mission. That is always a mission. Remember that. We're coming towards the main road here, where supposedly all the shops are. And yeah, hoping I find one place. Even if I find one burger and chips place, I'll go for it. But this is a main road. Everything looks to be closed over here except rooftop garden dine. No, but this is a one-way street. I see some people eating their Shital refreshments. This is one of the buses, Morning Star Travel. Woo! This man came from the other direction. Almost got knocked for no reason. Early in the morning. They probably sell some curries over here. Okay, there's a menu here. Idli, namaskar, namaskar. Idli, vada, upma, sweet bath, palav, pangol, rice bath, coffee, tea, rice, sambar, buttermilk. I have no idea what any of these are. No idea. I don't even know what to order there. Alright, let's take a walk down this road. Hello. It's another road full of, well, it's the same road. It just goes all the way to the bottom. So I'm thinking maybe we'll take a walk, because I know there's another main road down there. So maybe we can take a walk and go down there, try and find maybe breakfast over there. So people have been warning me about Ghandinagar, saying that, you know, it's not the best place, not the safest place. But anyway, I give a shit. I never come from Africa, you know what I mean? To get dalad here in South Fast Food, pure veg. Namaskar, namaskar. Hello, hello. So one of the things, hello, namaskar. Hello. One of the things that's really nice about walking in India is that everybody is just eager to say hello. Hey! Motherfucker. I don't feel like eating Indian food, except I'm looking for the egg sandwich or something. But I have a feeling I'm gonna end up eating Indian food. Okay, we are coming up to the next main road, which last night I was coming home from somewhere and it was very, very busy here. Extremely busy. Ah, food. This is gonna be a tough one, boy. Everything is closed right now. For me, I'm gonna take a walk. I hope I don't get lost. But here there's lots of hotels, lots of places with rooms. Namaskar. Hello, hello. Okay. They never wanna tell me hello, but it's okay. I will say hello anyway. I will greet whoever I need to greet. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna go about another 100 meters. If I don't find anything, then I'll go back that way. Namaskar, hello. Are you making chai too?
Yeah.
What chai? Masala chai. Hey.
Ginger tea.
Huh?
Ginger tea.
Ginger tea.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. So you just boil it here on this thing.
Yeah.
Nice. You know, I see many people coming and having tea on the streets here in India, but unfortunately I can't. So, Dhanibad, bye. Dhanibad. I'm gonna head back down this way. Namaskar, hello. Yeah. So everybody in the mornings they like to drink chai in the morning. Namaskar, hello. Hey. I don't know whether that was water that splashed on the floor or someone need to spit from the top or something. Okay, unfortunately I'm walking too far from my hotel and I gotta go somewhere just now. So whatever it is that I find to eat, I'm gonna chow it for breakfast. South Fast Food. Hello brothers. Namaskar. I'm not sure what to eat for breakfast, but I'm guessing we can find something here for breakfast. There's rice, I don't know what that is. I'm gonna try and order. Hello, brother. What is that? Breakfast. Can I have one, please? Sorry? Idli? No, I don't want idli. Okay, wait. Is that idli? Idli is that? Oh no, I don't want idli. You got puri. Puri and what? What do you eat with a puri? I only speak English, so I'm trying to understand what to eat with a puri. So I'm going inside the kitchen. So you call me there? I like to see how they make all these things. What do you want? Dal and rice.
Rice bab.
I never had this before. What do you eat with puri?
Puri or sag.
Puri and curry. Okay, I think we have a language barrier here. Anyone, you speak English, no? I want to know what I can eat for breakfast. Like puri and what else? Like a curry or something.
Curry, chutney.
I don't know. I don't know what they have.
Curry is there, chutney is there. You can see.
Yeah, so maybe you can ask them to get me like a puri and a something.
What do you want?
I want puri
Okay.
and I want something to eat with it.
Puri, sago is there.
Sago is
Chutney is there.
chutney. Alright, I'll take the chutney.
Yeah, chutney is there.
Chutney.
Vada is there.
Puri and chutney.
Mm.
Can you tell them?
What do you want?
Puri
Are you eating?
and chutney. Yeah.
The puri. The parcel or?
Sorry?
Parcel?
No, each year. Each year, yeah. And each year. It's a local experience.
Coming to
Three.
What do you want? Three.
Too many.
Two.
Maybe two. Okay, so we got some puri there with two different gravies.
Vada is gravy is there.
This.
Vada? You want vada?
Yeah, I'll take that there too. Right. Don't know how I'm gonna chow here, but we'll see. On the road. This is how the locals eat. Let me stand here and chow. It's this one is like a chutney. It has like tomato, a couple of other things. Very tasty. This is like a donut, like an Indian donut. We have this other gravy here. Kind of look like sour milk salad. It's cold. Oh, it has a mint, like a mint flavor to it. The chutney got a little bit of chili, so it's hot. But the donut and the chutney is a bomb combination. I found the magic here. So basically, you take a piece of puri. It's very tasty, very tasty. I like it. Thank you. Take a piece of puri, chutney, other thing called. I have a donut. I changed my mind about eating Indian food in the morning. The puri is very soft. You can see it's a very different type of puri to what we know. Our puri, we know, is so big. It's much thicker. It gets hard very quickly, you know. This obviously is served fresh. So, but it's a very different puri. And the chutney is just so divine. As usual, I'm leaving my potatoes for last. This breakfast costs 50 rupees. Okay, 50 rupees. That was the price of breakfast. My mouth is on fire for the first time. I need to have something to drink now. I'm kind of thirsty. One of the things I need to work on is my patience. Like, I get very impatient. I stand in the queue for like 2 minutes. Then I get impatient. I start walking, you know. And I know that's been my has been my story for many years. Not just in India, even back home too. If I drive to a shopping mall or a supermarket, like I go to Checkers or whatever, and I walk in the Checkers and I just see queues of people by the tills, I just leave. I will actually drive and go to a whole nother Checkers. I'm a very spoiled person, huh? It's raining today, but I'm still planning to go to a market somewhere in town. I'm just going back to the hotel now before I leave. I need to have a shower and stuff. Oh shit, I just admitted to that on camera, but anyway, it's fine. It doesn't matter. You guys know. Let me go back to the hotel. Hey guys, I'll meet up with you. See you in the next video.